So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create tasks on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select this website. Now you have to log into your account right here and then select this profile icon and now select access Zoho CRM. Now you have to select this settings icon and go in the actions option. Now go in the tasks section and select create task. Now you just need to fill up these details, which is selecting your module, selecting your subject, setting your due date and many more. And after filling all of these details, you just need to select this button right here called save, and then now you have successfully created your task for your employees on Zoho CRM platform. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.